Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Calculus problems like this look intimidating, but you can solve them quickly by following these 3 simple steps to find the correct answer in no time. First, differentiate the given derivative. Use the product rule on the square root and cosine terms to find the second derivative, which determines the concavity of the original function here. Set the second derivative to 0. This simplifies to the equation where tangent of x equals 1 over 2 times the quantity x plus 9. These are our inflection candidates. Finally, count the intersections of tangent x and the hyperbola-like function on the interval from -7 to 7. There are 4 distinct points where the concavity changes today. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore the sign when using the product rule to verify all your roots correctly.